In today's story, we're traveling thousands of kilometers from the blue waters of northern Europe to the heart of the Philippine archipelago to tell a modernization story that few people realize connects these two regions. This is the story of a next-generation high-speed ferry for Sweden, built by Filipino hands, and why this project quietly places the Philippines at the center of global green maritime innovation. Meet Horizon X, a revolutionary high-speed ferry commissioned by Gotlandsbolaget, designed to redefine how people move across the sea in a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable way. It is hydrogen-ready, multi-fuel capable, and engineered to push new boundaries in energy efficiency, exactly the kind of platform the future of maritime transport demands. But here's the part that truly matters to us. Horizon X is being built in the Philippines. Construction is underway at Austal's world-class shipyard in Gotlandsbolaget, Cebu, one of the most advanced shipbuilding facilities in Southeast Asia. This is not just subcontracted labor or basic assembly work. This is advanced aluminum ship construction for a cutting-edge European vessel, executed by Filipino engineers, welders, designers, and technicians. For the Philippines, this moment represents something bigger than a single ferry. It is proof that Filipino shipbuilders are already operating at the level demanded by Europe's strict environmental, safety, and performance standards. In an era where maritime modernization is increasingly tied to sustainability and technology, this capability is strategic. Horizon X is designed to be hydrogen-ready, meaning its systems are future-proofed for the transition to hydrogen fuel once infrastructure becomes available. In the meantime, it can operate on multiple fuel types, allowing operators to reduce emissions immediately while preparing for the next leap in green propulsion. This kind of flexible energy architecture is exactly what navies, coast guards, and civilian fleets around the world are watching closely, including those in the Indo-Pacific. For Filipinos, there is a quiet sense of pride here. When passengers board this vessel to cross the waters to Gotland, they will be riding on a ship shaped, assembled, and finished in the Philippines. Every aluminum panel, every structural joint, and every system integration reflects Filipino craftsmanship operating on a global stage. This also highlights the Philippines' growing role in the global maritime supply chain, not just as a seafaring nation, but as a shipbuilding and innovation hub. From commercial ferries like Horizon X to patrol vessels, fast craft, and auxiliary ships, the skill set developed in Cebu has clear implications for national defense and maritime security. As the Philippine Navy and Philippine Coast Guard continue their modernization programs, projects like this demonstrate that high-end shipbuilding expertise already exists locally. The same precision engineering used for hydrogen-ready ferries can be applied to fast response vessels, logistics ships, and future green auxiliary platforms supporting humanitarian assistance and disaster response. For Sweden, building in the Philippines makes sense. Austal Cebu shipyard offers advanced facilities, a skilled workforce, and proven experience delivering high-speed vessels to global clients. For the Philippines, it reinforces the country's position as a serious player in high-value maritime manufacturing, not just low-cost production. This is the same industrial foundation that can support future defense collaborations, whether in building fast interdiction craft, auxiliary vessels, or even next-generation green platforms tailored for archipelagic operations. So, when Horizon X finally enters service, quietly ferrying passengers across cold northern waters, it will carry more than just people. It will carry a story of Filipino skill, of global trust, and of a Philippines that is no longer just consuming maritime technology, but helping shape its future. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.